What's going on? So today we're shooting another video for Adorama. We're doing how to angle your subject, how to control the sun, and how to use flash to get a professional looking image. And that's about it. Let's go shoot. And then come into the shade.
Yeah, it's gonna be on.
And then we just make a walk, and then you just expose for that.
As she works.
Not as she walks. We'll do it after. You can have her coming in, and then we'll show, because I'm going to show the face. So it's going to be her in the sun and her outside the sun. Step into the sun. Let me see. Yeah, terrible. Okay. Not you, terrible. Okay, you can bring that down for now. I don't need the flash right now. Bad example, what not to do, subject facing directly, sun squinting, right?
Which is in the back.
See,
and then
harsh shadows under the eyes, which you can see, blown out highlights in the sky. So we're gonna see
yeah,
that.
exactly.
Okay, that's good enough. Okay, so now stay right there, and then just get me pulling her in and come in this way. Okay, hold it right there. Step a little bit this way for me. That's great. Okay, perfect. Okay, let me get this shot. So come in and come a little closer. Keep going, and right there, perfect. Okay. Okay, hold it right there. But yeah, gimbal is necessary. Yeah, handheld has its look, and definitely like what you did with the shoot that you did for yeah, like that was insane, dude. You have such good taste in editing, which that comes a long way, because you could make a bad shot look good. So you have both. You got the eye and you edit good. So that was good. I really like that video.
Yeah, I can go back.
Yeah, I love that video. Yeah, I think I'm gonna change to my 70 to 200. So I could just make this look like something. Let me see how this looks. Let's step to the side, just so I can see. Stand right here real quick, just so I can take a look real fast. And go this way, so it won't be so directional on her. And back it up a little bit more. Hold that. Let me see. Let me just test real quick. Come more this way. There we go. And tilt it this way. Keep looking that way. The breeze looks beautiful. Face me a little bit now. Now come this way. Hold it right there. The sun is still hitting you. Come from this side. So, no, you're fine. Yeah, so you can block the sun. That's what we're showing today.
Okay.
There we go. Let's go this side, so we can block that sun. No, you're good. No, you go this way, yeah. Yes. Okay, so now, exactly. Back it up a little more. Go down, height-wise. No, sorry, I was mistaken. There we go. Okay, go one more time. Yep. I want to get full body, but when you're that close, I can, yep.
And then bring this one up.
Energy good? Still good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you getting good?
Yes. I'm getting everything. It's gonna look. I get like an overall thing, and then I go in and edit it really pretty. Yeah. If I'm shooting like in studio, then I perfect it a little more, because I got the computer there, and. But this I know how I can make it look. Okay, so let's go high and let's go. Yes, that's what I want. And come, let me see how yeah.
I'll just move it
Sorry,
around.
yeah, I'm just
I'll
trying
hold
to-
it and you move it around.
Hold that right there. Let me see. So I don't want to get her too much shadows in her eyes either. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. Back it up a little more. Let me see. Hold that. Oh, sorry.
You're good.
Crazy. That's beautiful.
These are gonna be really good.
Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Let me get a close up of that. So pretty. Okay, let me see how wide I can get with this. Sorry, come from this side. Lo voy a cambiar rapidito. Yes. That's what I wanted. Okay, that looks great.
Let me go back down so you can get.
Okay, go for it. That was it, guys. Music in New York, there's noises, there's sirens, there's everything, but that's New York City. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you enjoyed the images. I hope you enjoyed everything and see the process, what it takes to create these videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Leave some really nice comments. You guys have been really awesome on my channel, and I hope to see you again next time.